Hi, this is Dr Marti Harris from Key Health. Thanks for joining us today. I wanted to share with you the techniques involved in giving a great basic massage for someone. We're going to cover the basic techniques that are involved in giving a great massage and also go through some tips to make it the most beneficial time that you have with that person. The first thing you want to make sure, first of all, is that they're completely comfortable. And by meaning in saying that, I mean that, that they're covered well and that you've only exposed the area of their body that's necessary. That you can tuck their underwear in and just make them feel as comfortable and safe as they can. You also want to start by applying oil to your hands rather than just squirting it on top of themselves. Warm up your hands before you start. Come to the head of the table and use nice flowing, long, deep strokes, which is termed Effleurage, which means flowing long strokes and to glide. So you can do that in time with their breathing or as slow as you feel the need to create relaxation. Follow the contours of the body and finish back at the head, gently pulling at the base of the skull. As you glide down, feel the change in the tissue and adapt your pressure to feel that relaxation start to occur. You can use your clenched knuckles in this fashion as well, being mindful not to have long fingernails and not to scratch the person. Is that pressure okay?
It's great.
Good. So check in with the person. They can't see you and you can't see them. You just want to make sure that they are nice and comfortable. So prior to being a chiropractor, I was a massage therapist for many years, working in the 5-star hotels around Sydney, looking after some very exclusive people and lots of people that enjoyed the benefits of a great massage. The next technique we're going to show you is called petrissage. Petrissage means to knead. So it's where you gather the flesh, the skin, and you lift it and knead it, somewhat like dough. Again, this has the effect of increasing circulation, which is necessary in helping the person to relax and to reduce pain or discomfort. One of the benefits of massage, apart from relaxation, is to be able to reduce a person's pain. Try and maintain contact with the person with at least one hand at most times. This way the person feels nice and relaxed and comfortable. So again, we're lifting, stretching the tissue, getting an idea for how it feels underneath your contact. Look for signs of their breathing to see how relaxed they are. Be mindful of what you're doing, but be focused on what you're doing. Don't allow idle chit-chat to distract what you're there for. We move into a next technique which is called roulement, which means to skin roll. So as we roll up the spine, we can lift the fascia or the skin and the top layer of that. And this again is also very relaxing. It tells us a lot about what's going on at that area of the body, so that we can come back and do other techniques to focus on to improve the function of those areas. You notice as I come up here that everything kind of gets a little bit stuck around this area here. So there's not that smooth movement of that tissue. We're going to now use our fingertips and go across the fibres. And as you might guess, this is called cross fibre friction. So it's a deeper level of massage. The amount of pressure you can use, if you see my fingertips, you'll see how they become a little bit more blanched. And with that, it means that it's probably enough pressure to be using. If I push too hard, you'll see a lot of blanching or whiteness in the fingers, and the person will become uncomfortable and start to squirm. So just ease the pressure off. That friction can be quick. It can be there to stretch and release adhesions. Adhesions are in the muscles and they stop normal motion of the muscles and can be quite painful. But you see how there's this change in the tissue around that area. Now when we go back to there, we'll see that there's a little bit more give in the way that area moves. There's a technique which is called tapotement. Tapotement is loosely flicking your fingers, tapping your hands, or cupping. And this is more stimulatory. So it's not hurting the person in any way. Be mindful of your posture while you're working with a person, that you have the table set to a comfortable height so you're not right over the top of them and making yourself susceptible to any problems. So this quick flicking of the fingers helps to stimulate the circulation, particularly helpful through the shoulders. Good. We can always finish with how we started, which is with Effleurage. And these techniques can be applied to all areas of the body, but today we've shown you how to do the back. So this is a great preparation for further treatments, and really you get an idea in terms of what the person is feeling like. Enjoy your massages, and we'll see you next time.